Succulents make up a big part of my California garden, and at the top of my list are the short-leafed aloes, the Aloe Brevafolias. They're wonderfully beautiful compact plants, easy to take care of, and even funner to propagate because mother plants will give off offsets, also known as pups, that grow alongside the base of the mama plant. And you can easily divide these and make more plants without any fancy tools. You just need your hands and maybe a pair of scissors. And that's all you need. You gently just pull away the pups from the mama. And sometimes they'll come away and they've already developed their own roots, and sometimes they haven't. In either case, you're able to take these plants and start new by putting them in soil. This plant really needed this. It had some rot on the leaves, and that's because the spray from other plants I was watering hit the leaves on this. They don't like a lot of water, so be really careful about that. Don't overwater them. They will get leaves that are soggy and not look good, so be real careful about the amount of water that you give to these Brevafolia aloes. They're just very sensitive to too much water. And now I have all the offshoots removed from the mother plant, and I can go ahead and take these and get to planting. Well, draining soil is critical with these. You want to make sure that you have either a succulent soil if you're using a potting mix, or some really good sandy soil, gritty soil that's not going to retain too much water. I like to, in the ground, cover with some top dressing rock just to make it a little bit nicer looking, and they seem to like it a lot with the succulents in the ground. Unlike some annuals and perennials, you don't want to water these when you put them in the ground or in a pot. When you first put them in a container or ground, you want to make sure that you keep them dry, and really up to a couple of weeks. And then when you do water them, just water very sparingly. They don't like a lot of water, which is great for us who are trying to conserve water in the garden. Aloe brevifolias do not mind being in containers. Container gardening with these is perfect. They enjoy being a little cramped, and in the container that almost makes them develop more offshoots. And so you can take those and make more and more and more plants in your garden. 3-minute gardening. It's totally doable and easy to grow your garden. Get out there and garden your hearts out.